Dear students, welcome back to a new mathematics session. In the previous session, we have discussed first three questions from the miscellaneous exercise, and in today's session, we shall discuss the remaining problems from the same exercise. Let's move on to the topic. Let's begin with question number 4. Sketch the graph of y is equal to mod x plus 3 and evaluate integral minus 6 to 0 mod x plus 3 dx. So we are asked to find out, or we are asked to sketch the graph first. Function is y is equal to mod x plus 3 and we are asked to find out the value of minus 6 to 0, integral minus 6 to 0 mod x plus 3 dx. So let's take y is equal to mod x plus 3 function, and by using the definition of modulus functions, first we will define this one without modulus, that is y is equal to x plus 3, positive x plus 3 if x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 0, and minus of x plus 3 if x plus 3 is less than or equal to 0. By using the definition of modulus function, we have defined y, that is positive x plus 3 and negative x plus 3 depends upon the value of this function. X plus 3 is greater than or equal to 0 means y takes x plus 3, x plus 3 less than or equal to 0 means y takes minus of x plus 3. Now we are asked to draw the graph, sketch the graph. That means we need the table of values for plotting, then only we will be getting the graph. For that, we know that just we will put different values of x and the corresponding y values we will find out. First we will take y equal to x plus 3, and that time we have to assume the values of x which are greater than or equal to minus 3, means this plus 3 goes to the right side, 0 minus 3, that is minus 3. X is greater than or equal to means more than minus 3. More than minus 3, greater than or equal to minus 3, that means minus 3 onwards we can put the greater values. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and so on. That is x values. When I put x is equal to minus 3, y will be minus 3 plus 3, that will be 0. Then when I put x is equal to minus 2, that is minus 2 plus 3, minus 2 plus 3 is 1. When I put x is equal to minus 1, minus 1 plus 3, that is 2. Then when I put x is equal to 0, that means 0 plus 3 is 3. So first set of values for y is equal to x plus 3 we have got. Next y is equal to minus of x plus 3 we have to calculate, that is y is equal to minus of x plus 3 for x is less than or equal to minus 3. Here x plus 3 less than or equal to 0 is there, plus 3 coming to the right side means it comes as 0 minus 3. So x less than or equal to minus 3. X, we take the value smaller than minus 3. That means smaller than minus 3 means we can take from this minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and so on. So these are the values which are smaller than minus 3. Minus 3 also we can include because there is equal to symbol is there. So minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and so on. So when I put x is equal to minus 3, what will happen is minus of minus 3 plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 is 0. So minus 0 is 0. The next is when I put minus 4, that is minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. Outside there is a minus sign. So minus into minus plus 1. Then minus 5 if we keep, minus 5 plus 3, that is minus 2. Outside there is a minus sign. So minus into minus plus 2. The next is minus 6 if we keep, minus 6 plus 3, that is minus 3 will be there. Outside minus, when we join, minus into minus plus 3. So this is another set of values for y is equal to minus of x plus 3. Let's plot it in a graph sheet. Here we need to use the graph because it is mentioned in the. So we have taken the values, x-axis and y-axis values. And first set of points, if you put minus 3, 0, then minus 3, 0 comes here. And minus 2, 1, minus 2, 1 is this one. And minus 1, 2, minus 1, 2 is here, x value minus 1, y value 2. And x value 0, y value 3, x value 0, y value 3 is this one. Then by using ruler, we can join these lines. Here this point I didn't mark, but we have to mark it, this one also. The next is another set of values, that is for y is equal to minus of x plus 3. That is minus 3, 0, same value only, minus 3, 0. And minus 4, 1, then minus 4, 1 means here comes. Then next is minus 5, 2, minus 5, 2 we have marked here, and minus 6, 3, that is this point. Again we can join it by using the ruler, these points. So this is the graph we have got. And we are asked to evaluate minus 6 to 0. X values are from minus 6 to 0. That means from this point to this point we have to evaluate. So let's take this one, minus 6 to 0. Okay, so integral minus 6 to 0 mod x plus 3 dx is equal to, so this one we can split it into two different category, that is minus 6 to 3 one category, area under the graph means minus 6 to 3 one category we can take, again from minus 3 to 0 another category. Okay, so these two categories we have to split because these two lines are creating a particular area along with the x-axis and it is split at minus 3. So we are just taking these two areas separately and we will add it. That is minus 6 to minus 3. You can see here minus 6 to minus 3. This minus 6 to minus 3 means this straight line comes under this straight line. This straight line means this set of points. This set of points means this is the one, minus of x plus 3, that is taken dx. Then plus another category is minus 3 to 0, minus 3 to 0, and this minus 3 to 0 under this line. Okay, under this line means that line is y is equal to x plus 3, that is x plus 3 dx. That is minus of x integration when we take x square by 2 plus 3 integral when we take 3x. Limit is from minus 6 to minus 3, plus here also same thing, x square by 2 plus 3x minus 3 to 0. Then when we apply the limit x square, when we put x is equal to minus 3 square, that is 9 divided by 2, then plus into minus, 3 3s are 9, it's written, minus this value when we put here, it is 6 square, so minus 6 square, then is 36, 36 by 2 is 18. Then here again same thing, 3 into x value when you replace with 6, it will be 18. 6 into 3, 18. So minus 18 will be coming. Plus when we put the upper limit, it becomes 0. Lower limit when we apply minus 3 square, that is 9 by 2. Then plus into minus 3 into x, that is 3 into 3, that is equal to 9. That is equal to here when we check 18 minus 18, it is gone 0. Then here when we take LCM when we take here, or else we can do one thing, we just remove the bracket here. Removing the bracket means here it is coming as minus 9 by 2, minus into minus plus 9, and this 18 cancel, and here 0, minus 9 by 2, again minus 9. Okay, minus 9 no plus 9, so here this minus into minus plus 9. Once again I tell you, any way you can do it, but you have to get this answer. So one way I am explaining here, remove the bracket, minus of this portion is there, when we remove it, minus 9 by 2, minus into minus plus 9, then here it is 0, only two terms. Then when it comes here, plus into minus, minus 9 by 2, then minus into minus plus 9. So here there is a plus 9, here there is a plus 9, 2 plus 9, 9 plus 9, that is 18. Then again here minus 9 by 2, and here again minus 9 by 2. So when we are doing that, minus 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2 is, when we are adding the numerator, it comes as minus 18 by 2. That is 18 minus 9. This 18 by 2 when we split, it comes, sorry, when we cancel, comes as 9. 18 minus 9 is 9 square units. That is the required area. Next we shall discuss question number 5. Find the area bounded by the curve y is equal to sin x between x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2 pi. So here limit is given from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2 pi. Find the area bounded by the curve y is equal to sin x. We know the graph of sine function. So first of all we have to take the graph of sine function from 0 to 2 pi. That means it goes this way. Okay, 0 to 2 pi means two waves will be coming. The first one from 0 to pi upper side of x-axis, and another one is down part of x-axis. So this is the graph of sine function starting from 0, x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2 pi. So we have to find out the area under this curve, means this area and this area we have to calculate. That is, required area is equal to area of OABO. You can see OABO, this portion, plus area of BCDB. These two areas we need to add it. That is, since one is below the x-axis, it takes the negative value, but we just consider only the modulus value, positive value. So that is modulus of first function is integral 0 to pi. Of course this is positive only, but we can just consider both modulus functions, modulus values. So integral 0 to pi under this graph means this is y is equal to sine function, y is equal to sine x. So integral 0 to pi sine x dx, plus again from here to here when we check 0 to 2 pi, same graph only sine x. So y is equal to sine x. So y dx means sine x dx. Keep the modulus. That is modulus of integral of sine x. Integral of sine x is minus cos x. And plus here also same thing, integral of sine x is minus cos x. And apply the limit. First part limit is 0 to pi and the second part limit is pi to 2 pi. Then minus of, when we apply the limit, upper limit minus lower limit, that means cos pi minus cos 0 it's written, plus modulus of minus of cos 2 pi minus cos pi, that is equal to modulus of minus is outside, cos pi value is cos 180, that is minus 1, minus cos 0 value is 1, plus minus is outside, modulus of minus is outside, then cos 2 pi value is 1, then minus into minus plus cos pi is again, sorry, minus cos pi is minus 1. Okay, cos pi is minus 1 means already there is a minus sign is here, that minus and cos pi minus, that means minus minus will be joining together and coming is plus 1. Once again, this is modulus starting from here to here, upper limit minus lower limit we have done, there is a minus sign outside, keep it outside, cos pi value cos 180, that is minus 1, minus cos 0 value is 1, plus, so when we take here minus cos 2 pi value is plus 1, already there is a minus sign outside, keep it bracket, you have to keep cos 2 pi value is 1, then minus cos pi value is minus 1 and already there is a minus sign outside, so minus into minus plus 1. Okay, that is, we use the formula cos n pi is equal to minus 1 the whole power n. Okay, so when we apply here n is equal to 1, we will be getting cos pi is minus 1 the whole power 1, minus 1 the whole power 1 is minus 1, so that's why cos pi is minus 1 we have got. Then when we apply here 2, then that means even number, cos 2 pi is equal to minus 1 the whole square will be coming, minus 1 the whole square is plus 1. That's what, by using this formula only we have calculated, either you just memorize these values or you just memorize this formula, anyway you just find out these values. That is here minus 1 that is minus 2, there is a sign outside, minus into minus plus 2. Okay, then plus here minus is there outside, cos 2 pi we have calculated 1 plus 1, so we'll be getting as modulus of minus 2, modulus of minus 2 is plus 2. You can see here this is upper portion, okay, upper portion of this graph, anyway it will come as positive only, even if you are not taking modulus also, minus into minus plus 2 will be coming, but below the x-axis we need to keep the modulus value because the area comes as negative, that's why. So when we take the modulus it comes as plus 2. Okay, then 2 plus 2 is 4 square unit, that is the area here. So here you need to keep in mind of this formula, cos n pi is equal to minus 1 the whole power n. This is the one we have learned in class 11 trigonometry. Okay, we shall discuss the sixth question. Find the area enclosed by the parabola y square equal to 4x and the line y is equal to mx. Here we need to do little bit of work in the beginning itself, because here y square equal to 4x, there is a parabola is given. Of course we know y square equal to 4x how it comes, but there is a line y is equal to mx is given, that we don't know which way it comes. So first of all we need to clarify these two things, then we need to proceed to the answer. First of all, y square equal to 4x, when we consider y square equal to 4x, we know that y square is positive, means of course it is positive only, because even if you put plus or minus y, it comes as positive y, means plus or minus y is not a problem here. That means this y-axis entire value we can consider, and x value is positive, that means x value positive means only this side. So the parabola opens towards the right side of x-axis, that means parabola comes this way. Okay, so that we have to confirm it, that we have drawn. Then next problem is, of course this is not an issue because we have solved several times this type of question, but here is a problem, y is equal to mx. What we have to do is, this is the equation of a straight line. So we know that there is a straight line general form, we know that is y is equal to mx plus c. This is the general form of a straight line. We have learned last year in straight lines, y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, So here C is called the y-intercept. This portion C is called the y-intercept. Y-intercept means where the line is meeting with the y-axis. So here C is not there. C is 0. Y is equal to mx only is there. So C is not there. C is 0. That means the line goes this way. Line goes this way means you can see this is the line. If you consider, the line will touch anyway this portion 0 0. So I am considering this way. Okay, the line I am considering this way, because here when we check y is equal to mx, here m can be positive or negative, but we don't know how m is. But here just I am taking only the positive side. Even if you consider the negative side also, of course the answer will be coming same. But here I am taking y is equal to mx plus c. That mx I am taking, m I am taking positive slope. That means goes this way. And C, y-intercept is 0. So that's why clearly the line goes in this direction. So when we draw that one in the along with the parabola, means the line goes this way. Okay, so this is the way the line goes. So now when we check, there is the point of intersection and all those things are there. Here the line and the curve is meeting at this point, and here also it is meeting. So this point we know clearly this is 0, 0. The point of intersection we know that is 0, 0. But here the line and the curve is meeting this particular point we don't know. That means the point of intersection we have to calculate. So that will be explained here. So this is the area we need to calculate. So area between this curve and the straight line, this is the area we need to calculate. Roughly we have drawn the diagram now. Once again, here there is a parabola y square equal to 4x. Here plus or minus y is not an issue, but x is positive value we need to consider. So plus or minus y means this y-axis entire value, but x should be considered as positive values. That means the parabola opens towards the right side. Next equation is y is equal to mx. When we compare with the general form of a straight line, y is equal to mx plus c, c is not there. C is 0. C 0 means y-intercept is 0. That means the line is touching the y-axis at 0. And the slope can be plus or minus 1, but here m is considered as positive. That means the line goes this way. Slope is positive means the line goes this way. So when we draw the line along with this parabola, means both are meeting at two different points. At one point here, one point here. So for finding out the limit, x values we need to check. So here x value is 0, but here x value we don't know. Point of intersection x value we don't know. That we have to calculate. This is a rough plan. Okay. So what we are going to do is, let's take the given function parabola y square equal to 4x. From here we will calculate y. Y is equal to root of 4x. Little bit of adjustment here we need to take. Root of 4 value is 2. Then root a is a constant, that also we can keep outside. X, with respect to x only we are going to do the integration. So x we can write it as x power 1 by 2. Root of 4 is 2. Root a as it is outside, root x we can write as x power 1 by 2. This is the simplification of this one. Next equation of the line is y is equal to mx. So y is equal to mx, what we can do is just square it. Then sorry, no need to square, just y is equal to mx. What we can do is take this y value and substitute here. That is better. So here y is equal to mx is considered as a second equation. Just this one we can consider as equation number 1, this one equation number 2 we can consider. What we can do is equation number 2 we are taking and substituting in equation number 1. So y is mx. So here y replace put mx. So m square x square equal to 4x. That is better. Then m square x square, take this one to the left side, minus 4x equal to 0. And in these two x is common when we take out. Here m square balance, x square, x is outside, only x balance, minus here x is outside, 4a is balance, minus 4a equal to 0. The product is 0 means each individual term we can equate with 0, x is equal to 0, or m square x minus 4a equal to 0. From here m square equal to this minus 4a comes to the right side, it comes as plus 4a. So x is equal to 4a by m square. So if we have got two different values of x. X is 0 and x is equal to 4a by m square. These are x values. The corresponding y values also we have to substitute. We have to find out. For that, first x equal to 0 we have got, that value you take and put it in this equation. Okay, second equation, that is y is equal to mx. So y is equal to m into 0. M into 0 is 0. So the point is 0, 0 we have got. Next is when x is equal to 4a by m square, y will be y is equal to m into x, m into 4a by m square. Then here numerator 1m, denominator 1m we can cancel. So just this m and this m is gone. Then the balance will be 4a divided by m. So the point of intersection what we have got is 4a by m square, that is the x value, and the corresponding y value is 4a by m. So this, by keeping all these in mind, let's draw the complete diagram. So y square equal to 4x, we have drawn parabola, and there is a straight line y is equal to mx this way. So this is the original diagram. Then the point of intersection we have calculated. Two places it is intersecting. One is at this point, one is at this point. This point we have got as 0, 0 clearly. Without calculation also we can write, that is 0, 0. And here the point of intersection must be 4a by m square, 4a by m. And this is the area we need to calculate. So area OABO, OABO means OABO. This is the way we have to take OABO. That is equal to area of OCABO. You can see OCABO. This area minus area of triangle OCA. OCA. From the entire area, we are minusing this triangle area. Okay, this is what we are doing. Even if it is not writing this one, you can directly write this part. It's not a problem. So OCABO, you can see OCABO. This is area under this curve. Area under this curve means curve is y square equal to 4x. From there we calculated the value here. That is this is the one, 2 root ax. Okay, or 2 root a into x power by 2. This is what we have calculated y value from the curve. So that value we have to put 2 into root x dx. We have simplified also, but of course we have written this format, minus, then again 0 to x value. X value is here 4a by m square. First case also same thing, 0 to 4a by m square only. X value is 0. Here x value is 4a by m square. Integral 0 to 4a by m square. Area under this line, straight line. Okay, this triangle area only we are calculating. Area under this straight line. Straight line means y is equal to mx, that is given to us. So integral y dx, that means y we replace with the mx, so mx dx. So this is the way we have to calculate. That is here 2 root a we have taken outside. Then x power 1 by 2, here we kept x power 1 by 2. When we do integration, x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Applying the limit 0 to 4a by m square, minus, here m is a constant, keep outside, integral of x, that is x square by 2, apply the limit. That is here 2 root a is there, and here denominator 3 by 2 is there. 3 by 2, when we take the reciprocal and multiply, 2 will go to the numerator. So 2 into 2, 4, denominator 3 is there, so 4 by 3 into root a. And here x power 3 by 2, what is x? 4a by m square. 4a by m square the whole power 3 by 2, minus, here 0 is there, lower limit, 0 is gone. Okay, 0 into 0 power any quantity 0, so that is not necessary to write. Then here again minus is there, that minus is this one. Here also upper limit minus lower limit. Lower limit no need to consider because it is 0. Anyway it will be coming 0 only, so only the upper limit. Minus is this minus. M divided by 2 constant we kept outside. Then x is 4a by m square, so 4a by m square the whole square. That is here 4 by 3. 4 by 3 means you can see 4 power 3 by 2. 4 power 3 by 2 we can split as we have done before also this calculation, so I am not showing here. 4 power 3 by 2 we can write as 4 power 1 by 2. 4 power 1 by 2 the whole cube. 4 power 1 by 2 is root to 4. Root to 4 is 2. So 2 cube is 8. Okay, so that 8 into this 4, 8 into 4 is 32. Then root a we can write as a power 1 by 2, and here again there is 1 by 2 is there. So when we are doing this one, we can just I will show you that calculation, that is better. So here root a we can write it as a power 1 by 2, a power 1 by 2 into, what we can do is, another one is 4 is gone outside, then a power 3 by 2 will be there, so a power 3 by 2 will be there. What we can do is we have to add the powers. Add the powers means 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 means here 1 plus 3, 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2. So a square will be there divided by 3. Here also same thing. M square the whole power 3 by 2 means square, and this denominator 2 will be cancelled. M cube will be coming. Minus here m by 2 into 4 square is 16. A square divided by m power 4. Okay, here only calculation little bit of work is there, that you keep in mind. 4 is a constant. Then again here 4 power 3 by 2 is there. 4 power 3 by 2 is 8. So 8 into 4 is 32. Then root a we can write it as a power 1 by 2 into a power 3 by 2. We have to add the powers. 1 plus 3 numerator, that is 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. A square will become. Divided by here 3 as it is. M square the whole raised to 3 by 2. M square whole raised to 3 by 2 means it will be coming like this. M is there, then square is there, then into the 3 by 2 will be coming. So into 3 by 2 when we do, this 2 cancel and only m cube will be coming. So that's what here m cube came. Okay, minus m by 2 into, this is simple, 4 square is 16 a square by m power 4. That is equal to 32 a square by 3 m cube minus here 2 and 16 we can cancel 8 times. Then m, there is m power 4. When we cancel, denominator m cube will become. Numerator 8 a square, denominator only m cube. So 8 a square by m cube. That is equal to here 3m cube when we take LCM. So 3m cube, denominator here 3m cube, here m cube. So 3m cube we can consider as LCM. 3m cube means here 32a square is there. Then minus here m cube only. So that means we have to multiply 3 here. 8 into 3, 24. 24a square. 32a square minus 24 is 8a square. Once again, in these two, there is 3m cube we can take as LCM. Then here denominator is same as the common denominator. So nothing to do. 32a square as it is we can consider. Then here denominator is only m cube. But our common denominator is 3m cube. Means we need to multiply 3 with this one. So 8 into 3 is 24a square. So 32 minus 24 is 8a square. So 8a square by 3m cube units. That is the answer. Next we shall discuss question number 7. Find the area enclosed by the parabola 4y is equal to 3x square and the line 2y is equal to 3x plus 12. Here also 4y is equal to 3x square. It is a parabola equation. It's not a problem for us because we are now able to identify the type of parabola. Here you see x square means positive or negative x is not a problem. Y should be positive. So when we keep in mind, just we can draw one rough figure and keep in mind. So this is the way the parabola goes. Upper portion of y-axis means positive or negative x value. Y should be positive. So y should be positive. So parabola opens upwards. Now the problem is with this one. 2y is equal to 3x plus 12. How it comes? We don't know. For that we need to make a table of values. So let's go for doing that. First of all, equation of the parabola 4y is equal to 3x square. We will mark it as equation number 1 and keep. Okay, and this one we will mark it as equation number 1 and keep. Then next 2y is equal to 3x plus 12. There is equation of straight line. We will go for finding out the table of values. Very simple. That is what we can do is first you put y is equal to 0. Next you put x is equal to 0. You will get the table of values. When we put y is equal to 0, what will come? This term completely 0. That means 3x plus 12 equal to 0. 3x is equal to this 12 will come to the left side minus 12. So x is equal to minus 12 by 3. That is minus 4. This much work you need to do it mentally. Okay. Next, when x is equal to 0, put what will happen? This one will be completely 0. That means 2y is equal to 12 will be coming. Y is equal to 12 by 2. That is 6. That we have got. Now, next, when we plot these things, we will be getting the graph. Let it be there. We can draw it later. Now, the next thing should be there will be a points in which this line and this parabola will intersect. So we need to find out the point of intersection. That is our next task. For that, what we have to do? We have to find out one variable from one equation and we will substitute it into another equation. Sorry, this one we can just mark it as equation number 2. Wrongly marked as equation number 1. So equation number 2 I have to mark. Then I will take equation number 2 and will take y. Okay, y is equal to 3x plus 12 divided by 2. Y I calculated. And I am putting this one in equation number 1. What will happen? Equation number 1, when we put 4 into y. Y is 3x plus 12 by 2. So denominator there is a 2. Numerator there is 4. Both can be cancelled. Only 2 will be coming. So 2 into 3x plus 12. Okay. Some work we are doing mentally. Okay. That's why the step is not showing. 2 into 3x plus 12 equal to right side is 3x square. How this 2 comes? This 4 and denominator, y denominator there is a 2. So this 2 and 4 cancel, 2 will become. Then here little work is there, just remove because I have avoided some step. 2 into 3 will be coming as 6x, and then next is 6x plus 12 into 2, 24. Okay, 24 is equal to 3x square. This is the step here, next step. Then what we can do is just arrange it. That means this 3x square is there on the right hand side. The left hand side complete terms I am bringing to the right hand side. So 3x square positive as it is there. Then 6x goes to the right side, it comes as minus 6x. Then plus 24 goes to the right side, minus 24 equal to 0. So directly I have written this step. If you feel difficulty, do this one and come back here. Okay, anyway, that is up to you. Then when you check here again, 3 is common, divide it with 3. So x square cancelling with 3 means what will happen? 3x square cancelling 3 means only x square. Here 6 dividing with 3, 2 will be coming. 24 dividing with 3, 8 will become equal to 0. Splitting the middle term. By using the splitting the middle term, we can just split it this one. That is, here product and sum method we can take. There a product will be, that is product is equal to minus 8. Product is equal to minus 8, and the sum when we take it will be coming as minus 2. Sum is minus 2. Clearly the numbers are minus 4 and 2. Minus 4 into 2 minus 8, and minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. So directly by using these numbers we can write the factors x minus 4 into x plus 2. So x minus 4 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x can be 4 and x can be minus 2. X values we have got. Now when we put these x values into this y value, y equation, we can get the y values as well. So for doing that, when x is equal to 4, y is equal to 3x plus 12 by 2, this is the one. Then when we put 4 into 3, 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. 24 by 2 is 12. Then again when x is equal to minus 2, if we put what will happen? Y is equal to 3 into minus 2, that is minus 6 plus 12. Minus 6 plus 12 is 6. 6 by 2 is 3. So we have got the point of intersection completely. That means x is 4 means y is 12. So 4, 12 is 1 point. Another one is minus 2, 3. Okay. Now what we can do, all the necessary things are ready here. Just we will draw the final diagram. So when we are doing the final diagram, of course, step by step I am not showing here because of time. So just doing it together. Okay. First we have drawn the parabola, and after that what we have taken? These points we have to plot. Minus 4, 0. See here, minus 4, 0 we have plotted, and 0, 6 we have plotted. Then by using ruler just to join it. And as I said before, the parabola and the line is intersecting at 2 places. These 2 places only we have calculated the point of intersection, that is 4, 12 and minus 2, 3. 4, 12, x is positive, y is also positive, so it comes here, 4, 12. Another one is minus 2, 3, x is negative, that means comes this side, minus 2, 3. So here we need the limits. Limit means here x is equal to minus 2, this is minus 2, and when you come on the right hand side, this is 4. Okay, this is what we have to calculate. So now we need to find out the particular area. Particular area means you can just see here which area. See, this is the area we need to calculate. Okay, so this is the area we need to calculate. When we check this blue colored one, this area we need to calculate, shaded area. So how do we calculate this area? That is very important. This area can be calculated from the trapezium area. You see here this portion, just a trapezium, you can see this portion is a trapezium area, means area under this line. Okay, area under this line means entire above x-axis and this line and this line all together. From this area, if we remove area under the curve, I will show you with a different color. Just will take green color and then show you that this is the area under the curve. Okay, this area if you subtract from the total area, we will calculate the upper portion, the upper blue colored area you will get. Okay, once again, from the total area, this area below the line, straight line, if you subtract this green shaded portion, you will get this blue shaded area will get. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. Anyway, the limit is from minus 2 to 4. First one is area under this line. Area under this line means we know the line is y is 2y is equal to 3x plus 2. From here we will calculate y value. Limit is from minus 2 to 4. And area under the curve means this one, 4y is equal to 3x square. From here y will calculate, y is 3x square by 4. Okay, so let's do it. Required area is equal to limit minus 2 to 4. Area under this line. Area under this line means this line equation is this one. Okay. 1 by 2 into 3x plus 12. Y dx, y is this value, 1 by 2 into 3x plus 12 dx, minus again area under this parabola, okay, area under this curve. That means again from minus 2 to 4, y is from here we will calculate 3x square by 4. So 3x square by 4 dx. From here onwards you will be able to do it. So just you can just complete it. Here I am explaining, but some steps I have reduced. Okay, in advance I am telling some steps I have reduced. So you just try to do it yourself. Just go this or use this portion as only reference. Then here 1 by 2 into integral of 3x, that means 3 when we take constant, x square by 2 plus 12 into 1 dx, that is integral 1 dx is x. Apply the limit, minus here 3 by 4 into x square integral is x cube by 3, apply the limit. Here only some steps I have reduced. So 1 by 2 into 3 into x square, upper limit minus lower limit. So 3 into x square is 4 square, 4 square is 16, 16 by 2 is 8, 8 into 3 is 24. Okay, then plus 12 into 4, 12 into 4 is 48. Then here there should be minus and bracket should be there, but here I have removed everything. Okay, upper limit minus lower limit. Here already there is a minus sign. Minus 2 square is 4, 4 by 2 is 2, 2 into 3 is 6. Minus is there, lower limit, so that minus 6 I put. Again this one is minus is there, minus is outside bracket, it is there, so just I have removed. So that minus, and here you can see 2 minus 2 into 12, minus 2 into 12 is minus 24. That minus and this lower limit minus both together, when we remove the bracket it comes as plus 24. That's why I told you that one step I have removed, you have to do it. Minus here 3 cancel means 1 by 4 is there, 1 by 4 into then 4 cube is 64. Then minus the lower limit, minus here minus 2 cube is minus 8, minus and that lower limit minus together plus, so 8. Okay, this 3 cancel, only minus 2 cube, that is minus into minus plus 8 is there outside. Then here 1 by 2 into this one when we do it is 90 coming, minus 1 by 4 into 64 plus 8 is 72. Then here 90 by 2, that is 45, minus 72 by 4 is 18. So 45 minus 18, answer is 27 units. So this is the final answer. Next we shall discuss the 8th question. The question is, find the area of the smaller region bounded by the ellipse x square by 9 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1 and the line x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 1. So here this is an ellipse, x square by 9 plus y square by 4 equal to 1. So when you check here denominators, this is greater quantity, 9 is bigger than 4. So since it is under x square, the major axis is x axis. The major axis of the ellipse is x axis. So the ellipse goes this way, means flatten towards the x axis. So when we take the x axis and y axis, the ellipse comes this way. Okay, this is the way the ellipse goes. And what we are going to do first is, we are going to find out the point of intersection with the axis. Okay, it is intersecting with the x-axis 2 places, y-axis 2 places. That point of intersection we have to find out. Next we will find out the table of values for plotting this line. Okay, this is our plan. Then let's go. X square by 9 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1. That is the equation of the ellipse. And intersection of ellipse with the x-axis. When we are considering x-axis, what will happen? This point and this point we have to calculate. Along this point, when we consider here, x value will be 0. Sorry, only x value will be there, y value will be 0. So just to put y is equal to 0. What will happen? This term will be 0. So x square by 9 is equal to 1. So x square equal to 9. Then x is equal to plus or minus 3 will be coming. Means two values, x is equal to plus and x is equal to plus 3 and x is equal to minus 3, means minus 3 comes here, plus 3 comes here. So here the intersection when we consider x-axis plus minus 3, that means minus 3 0, this is the coordinate. Here means plus 3 comma 0. Then we are going with the intersection of ellipse with the x-axis, we will write the coordinates, that is 3 0 and minus 3 comma 0. A and A dash we have taken, that is for the final diagram. This is only a rough diagram. Okay, 3 comma 0 minus 3 comma 0. Now we are going with the y-axis. Y-axis when we consider x value will be 0, x is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 0, we did not show the calculation here. So what we can do is x is 0 putting means will be coming as y square by 4 is equal to 1. Y square by 4 is equal to 1. Y square by 4 equal to 1 means y is equal to y square equal to 4. Y square equal to 4 means y is equal to plus or minus 2 will be coming. Okay, plus or minus 2 means positive 2 and negative 2. That means this point is plus 2 and this point is minus 2. Coordinates when you write 0, 2, 0, minus 2. Then next equation of the line is this one, x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 1. And from here y by 2 we can calculate, take x by 3 to the right side, 1 minus x by 3. Then y is equal to 2 we can take to the numerator, 2 into, here taking LCM also, 3 into 1 3, 3 minus x by 3, 3 minus x by 3, these 2 will go to the numerator, so 2 into 3 minus x by 3 will be coming. Okay, then table of values when we consider, same way what we have done in the previous question, x and y simultaneously give 0. When we give x is equal to 0, here 3 minus 0 is 3, 3 by 3 is 1, 1 into 2 is 2. Next y value if you put 0, what will happen? Here 0 is equal to 2 into 3 minus x by 3, and when we cross multiply, 3 minus x will be 0. So x is equal to 3 will be coming. If you are feeling difficulty in mental calculation, write and do written calculation is best. Then next we need y values also, because our formula is integral y dx. So y values also we need. So here y square we can calculate from here. That is okay, that we will do it. That is better. Now when we check here, x square by 9 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1. So that means from when we are doing y square by 4 is equal to 1 minus x square by 9. 1 minus x square by 9. Then when we are taking this LCM 9, what will happen? 9 LCM means 9 minus x square will be coming. 9 minus x square will be coming. This is y square by 4. This is y square by 4. And we need y square. Y square means just to take 4 to the right hand side numerator. That is 4 by 9 into 9 minus x square. That is y is equal to 4 by 9 square root if you take 2 by 3 into root of 9 minus x square. Keep it ready. Draw the diagram. Okay. Original diagram, there is an ellipse we have discussed here, flattened towards x-axis means the major axis is x-axis. Intersections we have got 0 2 minus 0 minus 2, here 3 0 and here minus 3 0. ABCD and all, just mark it. According to the question, find the area of the smaller region bounded by the ellipse and the line. Area of the smaller region. See, when this line comes into the ellipse, what will happen? This entire ellipse is divided into two portions. One is the upper portion of the line, another one is the bottom portion of the line. So smaller portion, smaller region, that means this is the smaller region. Okay, this is the area we need to calculate. How do we calculate this area? That is, you see this portion, that is just like a sector. Of course it is not a sector, but this is the one. From this area means area under this curve, just to see the cursor. Okay, area under this curve and the x-axis and y-axis minus area of this triangular portion means area under the straight line. You will get this yellow shaded one. Once again, area under this curve minus area under this straight line. Okay, then we will get this yellow colored shaded one. Required shaded area is equal to, directly I am going to do, we know the limit. This is from 0 to 3 x-axis value. Okay, 0 to 3. Area under this curve, that is a bigger one. Okay, area under this curve, that is area under the curve means this is the curve. From here, from the curve we have calculated y value, that is 2 by 3 root of 9 minus x square. So 2 by 3 is a constant taken outside. Integral 0 to 3, as I said before, 0 to 3, area under the curve. So y dx, y is what? Root of 9 minus x square dx, minus area under the straight line. Area under the straight line means limit is same, 0 to 3. Integral 0 to 3, area under the straight line. Straight line we have calculated here. This is the one. Okay, y is equal to 2 by 3 into 3 minus x. 2 by 3 is a constant taken outside, 3 minus x dx. Apply the integration formula, x 2 by 3 into here root of a square minus x square, that is x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse x by a. That is the formula we have applied, 0 to 3 minus 2 by 3 into integration of 3 is 3x minus integration of x is x square by 2. Apply the limit. This formula you should remember. Okay, that is root of a square minus x square is x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse x by a. Apply the limit. Then when we apply the limit, 2 by 3 into here 9 by 2 into pi by 2 minus here, because when we apply 3 here, what will happen? 9 minus 3 square. 3 square is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0, and the term will be 0. So only this one will be there. That is 9 by 2 into sine inverse. That is here sine inverse pi by 2. Sine inverse pi by 2 means here sine inverse what will come? 3 by 3. 3 by 3 is 1. Sine inverse 1. Sine inverse 1 is pi by 2. Okay. Some steps it is removed. Just to do it yourself. Okay. Once again, 9 by 2 into sine inverse 3 by 3 is 1. Sine inverse 1 is pi by 2 minus 2 by 3 into here 3 into 3 9 minus, then upper limit again 3 square is 9. 9 by 2 minus lower limit when we put, and that term will be 0. Then 2 by 3 into here 9 pi by 4 minus here when you just multiply inside, what will come? No need to multiply here, you can take LCM first. So 9 into 2, 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9 is 9 by 2. Okay, 9 by 2 we can just take, and 2 by 3 we can keep it outside. Here 2 by 3, here 2 by 3 is there, just we can take common outside. And here 9 into 2, 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. 9 by 2 is there. Okay, and when we take the LCM again inside, 2 by 3 into 9 by 4 into pi minus 2 will be coming. Here take 4 as common LCM, it comes this way. That is equal to 2 by 3 into here 3 and 9 cancel 3 times, 2 and 4 cancel 2 times. So only 3 by 2 will be coming. 3 by 2 into pi minus 2 units. Calculation just roughly I explained, because it is your duty to just complete it, because you should be independent in doing calculations. Just try to do it in your own way, and you should get the answer 3 by 2 into pi minus 2 units. Next, there are two questions, that is question number 9 and 10. Find the area of the smaller region bounded by the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 and the line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. And the 10th question is the area of the region enclosed by the parabola x square equal to y and the line y is equal to x plus 2 and the x-axis. So this question number 9 is similar to the 8th question. Only thing is that here it is a general form is mentioned. So you can just try it, these two questions as homework, and the answers will be discussed during the live session. Just you can try it. Dear students, today we have discussed question number 4 to 8 from the miscellaneous exercise of chapter 8 integrals. Hope it was clear for you, and please make sure that you are able to do it, these questions independently. While practicing, if you have any doubt, please mark it and keep. We will discuss it during the discussion session. Thank you for watching.